outdoor dog. She's a good hiker and a good camper, but we've already been out hiking for miles and snow is up to her chin. She's a little tuckered. It's a good thing I've got her front pack so we can carry her along with us, and of course I've got the regular gear on the back. So with the two of them, I'm pretty well balanced out. So now DeeDee is ready for action. Okay, so we are having Mountain House breakfast hash. This is a really cool thing. You don't even need to bring extra cook pans for it. All you need is to heat up water in your little stove, and then when it's ready, you're going to pour it right in. DeeDee, be quiet. Okay, we're just going to open it up right here. This is what it looks like inside. Nice, dry, and lightweight. What we're going to do is pour in a cup and a half of hot water. You can see that it's now soaking up. We're going to seal it shut like a Ziploc and mix it around a little bit. And we're going to let it sit for 4 minutes after we mix it up.